go, back at the tracks. You might catch it coming through this crossing this time. All right, here we are. It's not the train, but these are some cars, rail cars. It's like a sewer pipe or something. Hey guys, this is on the tracks. Since there's so many cars that cross this tracks, there's a sign right by the tracks. It says, "Stop, wait 20 seconds." So the train has to stop and wait 20 seconds before it can go through the crossing, which is pretty cool. I don't know if you saw that video, but there's a video where some coyotes ran across the train tracks up there. It was kind of cool. He's hooking up down there. There's that box that controls the lights. Like, isn't that what that does? That controls the lights at the crossing. It like makes them go on. Comment down below if that's right. Did I say Cobalt? I don't know what it is. But comment down below if I'm right or what it actually does. I think it controls the lights, but this crossing doesn't have gates. Sadly. The engineer is getting back in the train, maybe? He's pulling the switch. I don't know if you see that. Oh, wow. Look at the rock. The rock. My dad just threw it. Pretty cool. There's a sign underneath the railroad track. Is that? Guys, I'm pretty sure the train's coming through the crossing. I'm just gonna get back because I don't want to get smashed. Well, I want to get the lights. The lights should start blinking in. Oh yeah, here it comes. Pretty awesome. Train coming. Everybody needs to stop. I can hear it. It's getting louder. I know. Did it stop? It stopped. What the heck? Oh, it has to stop and wait. Okay, yeah. But the lights aren't blinking. The lights still aren't going. Why does everybody have a trailer? Oh, here it comes. That's backing up. Never mind. Train's coming. Yay! It just stopped and backed up. I have no idea why. Semi. Oh, it didn't honk. Yeah, here it's coming. Blue sign thing. Still no lights. I see it coming though. It's got a bell. I didn't know it had a bell. I got a rusty one coming up. Here's the end. Yeah, and guys, have a good rest of your day. God bless. Goodbye.